morning students. Today I will discuss same chapter 13, but the concept is different from previous exercises. Now here we have discussed time and work. So more men do more work. That is, number of men is directly proportional to the amount of work. जितने अधिक आदमी होंगे उतना अधिक वर्क होगा. So that means man is directly proportional to work. More man, more work, and less man, less work. Other, more man will do the work in lesser time. That is, number of man is inversely proportional to the number of days to do the work. That means M is inversely proportional to number of days. More work will require more time to complete it, so work is directly proportional to the number of days. Work is directly proportional to the number of days. So while solving problems related to time and work, the work done is taken as equal to 1. If a person can do a piece of work in n days or n hours, then the person's 1 day's work or 1 hour's work is equals to 1 upon n. 1 day's work is equals to 1 upon n. So these concepts should be applied in the exercise. And the converge of this rule, if a person does 1 upon n of the work in 1 day, then he will complete the work in n days. Other concept of pipe and cistern. A cistern or a water tank is connected with the two types of pipes. One is inlet and other is outlet. Inlet is which fills the tank, and outlet which empties the tank. So the work done by inlet is always positive because it fills the tank, and work done by outlet pipe taken as negative because it empties the tank. Another concept, time and distance. We already familiar about the time and distance in the previous classes. So relation between time, distance and speed. Speed equal distance upon time. Distance upon time. If we taken as a symbol, speed equal s, so s equal d upon t, where d is a distance and t is taken as time. So same, if distance equal, if we find distance equal, so speed into time, speed into time, and the time equal distance upon speed. Unit kilometer per hour, that is the bigger unit, and the smaller unit the meter per second. When we convert kilometer hour to meter per second, so we have to multiply by 5 upon 18, and when we convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, so we have to multiply by 18 upon 5. So on the basis of these concepts, we have to solve exercise 13.3. So now let us discuss exercise 13.3. So question number 1, A and B can weed a certain field in 6 and 12 hours respectively. Working together, in how many hours will they weed the field? Question number 1. A and B can weed a certain field in 6 and 12 hours respectively. If they are working together, then how many hours will they weed the field? So first we find the work done by A in 1 hour. So age 1 hour work, age 1 hour work equal 1/6. ए किसी काम को 6 आवर में कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स उसका जो 1 घंटे का वर्क कितना होगा 1/6. सेम टाइम वी हैव टू फाइंड द वीज वर्क. So वीज 1 hour work is equals to 1/12. If they are working together, that means we have to combine both the values. So A plus B 1 hour work equals 1/6 plus 1/12. Taking LCM as 12, so 6 to 12, 2 plus 1, so 2 plus 1/12, 2 plus 1/12 equals 3/12, 3 1 ja 3 4 ja, so 1/4. So when A and B working together, so they do the work in 1 hour equal 1/4. So total time taken by them is equals 4 hours, because work directly proportional to the time. We already studied about this. Work is directly proportional to the time. Now question number 2. Rachna can finish her work in 16 days and Prerna can do the same work in half of the time taken by Rachna. If they are working together, what part of the same work they can finish in a day? So same time we have to find question number 2. So first we have to find the Rachna's 1 day work. Rachna's 1 day work Rachna's 1 day work equal 1/16, and Prerna take time half of Rachna. So Prerna's 1 day work equal half of it, that means 1/8. 1/8. If both working together, so when working together, so 1/16 plus 1/8, taking LCM as 16 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, so 1 plus 2/16 is equals to 3/16. So when they working together, they have to complete the work. Part of work equal 3/16. Now question number 3. A and B can do a piece in 18 days, while B alone can finish a work in 30 days. In how many days can A alone finish the work? So when A and B, A plus B 1 day work, A plus B 1 day work equal 1/18, and B alone 1 day work, B alone 1 day work equal 1/30, 1/30. Then age 1 day work equals working together is 1/18 minus 1 upon 30. 1 upon 18 minus 1 upon 30. Taking LCM, so LCM is 90. Multiply by 5, multiply by 5, and by 3 and by 3. So 5 minus 3 upon 90. The 5 minus 3, that is 2. So 2 upon 90, 2 बन जाए 2, 2 जाए 2 5 जाए 10 equals 1 upon 45. That is the work by A in one day when he worked alone. So time taken by A, time taken by A when he worked alone, that is equals to 45 days. 45 days. This time we have to solve the questions. Now question number 4. A and B can do a piece of work in 36 days, and B and C can do it in 60 days, and A and C can do it in 45 days. Find the time in which A, B and C working together can finish the work. आपको वर्क दिया है A और B का, और B और C और A और C का, तो आपको फाइंड करना है कि अगर A, B, C तीनों मिलकर काम करते हैं तो वो कितने दिन में उस वर्क को फिनिश करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. A plus B one day work, A plus B one day work equal 1 upon 36, and B plus C one day work equal 1 upon 60, 1 upon 60, and C plus A one day work equal 1 upon 45. Then add all the values. A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is equals 1 upon 36 plus 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 45. So here all the terms have 2 times. So A plus A, 2A, 2 is common, so 2 bracket A plus B plus C is equals to, and here LCM is 36, 60, 45. So LCM is 180. So 36 5 ja, 62 ja, and 45 4 ja, plus 4. So 2 bracket A plus B plus C, 5 to 7 4 11. 5 plus 3 8 4 12, 12 upon 180. Then A plus B plus C, so 12 upon 180 multiplied by 2, 2 9 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 5 ja, and 6 2 ja, 15 upon 2. 12 बन जाए 12, 12 से क्या 1 upon 15. So when A plus B plus C working together, so 2 multiplied by 15. So 15 to 30. So A plus B plus C, then all the three working together, they can finish the work in 30 days. Now question number 5. Question 5. Anil, Sunil and Rajat complete the work in 4 hours. If Anil work in 12 hours and Sunil in 10 hours, then how long Rajat to finish the work alone? So you have to solve the question by yourself. When all the three working together, so 1 hour work 1 upon 4. Then Anil's 1 hour work 1 upon 12 and Sunil's 1 hour work 1 upon 10. So Rajat's 1 hour work equal 1 upon 4 minus, then apply a bracket, 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 10. Then solve, so you have to find the work done by Rajat alone. Clear? Question number 6. Now question number 6. A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B in 20 days. They begin together, but A leaves 2 days before the completion of the work. In how many days will the whole work will be completed? So here some phenomenon is different. So first we have to find age 1 day work. Age 1 day work equal 1 upon 10 and B 1 day work equal 1 upon 30. 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20. Then A plus B 1 day work. If we they do work together, A plus B 1 day work equal 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 20, taking LCM. So 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20. So time taken by them. Time taken equal 20 upon 3 equals 6 whole 2 upon 3. 6 whole 2 upon 3. But A leaves 2 days before. A leaves 2 days before. A leaves 2 days before. That means 6 whole 2 upon 3 minus 2 equals 4 whole 2 upon 3 days. 4 whole 2 upon 3 days. Then A plus B work done in 4 whole 2 upon 3 days. So A plus B work in 4 3 are 12, 14 upon 3 days equals 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20 multiply 14 upon 3. 14 upon 3. Because this work is done by 3 upon 20. So 3 divided by 3, 2 7 ja, 2 10 ja, which equals 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10. The remaining work equal 1 minus 7 upon 10, because we have taken whole work as a 1. So 1 minus 7 upon 10 equal 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10. So number of day equal 3 upon 10 into 20. 3 upon 10 into 20. So 10 to the 20 equals 6 days. 6 days. 6 days, and here 4 will go upon 3 days. So total time taken by B equal 6 plus 4 completing the work is 10 whole 2 upon 3. Now question number 7. A water tank can fill the two taps P and Q in 12 and 16 hours respectively. The full the tank by complete by a third pipe are in 8 hours. So all the taps are turned on at the same time. Find how much time will the empty tank will be filled completely. So here there are three types of taps. Two are inlet and third one is the outlet pipe. So we already discussed about inlet pipe taken as positive and outlet pipe taken as negative. So work done by P in 1 hour. Work done by P in 1 hour equal 1 upon 12, 1 upon 12 and work done by tan Q in 1 upon 16. These two are inlet pipe and R is outlet. Work done by R and the outlet pipe. So taken as negative, so minus 1 upon 8. So when they working together, that means 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 8. Then taking a LCM is 48, 12 4 by 4 by 3 by 3 by 6 by 6. So 4 3 7 minus 6 upon 48 it equals 1 upon 48. So this is the time work done in 1 hour. So total time, so hence total time is equals 48 hours. In 48 hours they can empty the tank by filled completely. Now question number 8, last question of the exercise. Question number 8, related to time and distance. The speed of train is given 90 km per hour, which is 200 meters long. Speed is given, speed equal 90 km per hour and distance equal given 200 meters. That is the length of train. Part 1. How much time will it take to pass an electric pole? So we already discussed time equal distance upon speed. Convert it into meter per second. So we have to multiply by 5 upon 18. 18 5 by 90. That is equals to 25 meter per second. So distance is 200 and time taken by 25. The speed is 25. So 25 into 200. So time taken by 10, that is 8 seconds. So when a 200 meter long train at a speed of 90 km per hour, so it takes 8 seconds to pass this electric pole. In the B part, a platform is 700 meters long, then how much time taken? So now total distance equal this is a 700 meter platform and 200 meter long train, 200 meter long, then Because here platform is 700 meter long, so train takes more time to pass the pole and the platform. So this is the exercise 13.3, where we have discussed time and work, pipe and cistern, time and distance. So solve the questions. If you have any query, then you have to ask in the WhatsApp class, also as well as on math group. Solve the questions of exercise as well as examples. Same concept you have to apply. I hope you have to understand. So, thank you students.